everyone. Welcome to Podcast, your story, your point of view. This is where we share different perspectives, real stories, and meaningful conversations. I am Hannah.
And I am Reina. Today's episode is about small beginnings, perseverance, and dedication to a growing business. We are so excited to sit with an inspiring guest behind C Nail CDO Studio, a small but thriving local nail care business at Indahag, Cagayan de Oro City.
Right, so we'll hear their story from the early days of starting their business to the challenges they've overcome and the little victories along the way. So let us welcome our guest from Senior Studio. Thank you so much for joining us today and please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Clau. I'm the CNail Studio owner. And
yeah, yeah. All right, so
Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Miss Clau, how did you in C Nail CDO Studio come to life, and what sparked the idea to start this small business?
CNail Studio started on July 30, 2024, and it started when I have a family friend nga passion kay niya ang nail designing, creative kay siya. Then pag-resign nako sa banking industry, and man to nag-decide ko nga magtukod og nail nga small business.
right, so I love the idea. Na. So once you had the idea, how did you take those first steps to get things going?
First step is I introduce my small business in social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, and of course, we have a Facebook page to market my small business.
Right.
Wow, so that is very insightful. No, we'll make sure to find those pages so that we can promote your brand pod. So I know small businesses always come with challenges. So Miss Clau, what with that being said, what were some of the toughest hurdles you faced early on in that business?
First, financial. Dapat kanang imuhang money is dako imong capital kay dili siya sayon unya magtukod kag studio, then ang materials, tapos ang shipment pud sa materials.
Right.
Then building brand awareness, of course, dapat unique ang imuhang brand logo, brand name kay daghan na karon sa especially sa CDO nga different ang mga business like daghan ng mga business like sa nails
Yeah.
miski unsa na lang gyud like daghan na gyud like sa downtown. Then mas challenge pud sa ako kay layo nami sa uptown nga
Indahag.
area sa Indahag.
Laging. So with that being said, pod ma'am, were there ever moments where you doubted if this would work?
Yes, of course. Especially kay daghan na gyud kayo mga competitor. Like
Right.
daghan gyud kay sila. Miski unsaon na lang nimo pag idea like promoting your business. Like unsaon nimo pag nindot sa imong studio. Then dapat ang imuha pong nail tech maayo pod like then kanang dapat ang sana tawag ana kanang
Gamit.
no kanang sa dapat lig-on pod ang pagkuan sa
Quality.
quality
Retention.
o retention sa nails kay para ang client po magbalik-balik pod sa imo.
Right.
Dapat na loyalty.
Right.
Yes, that's very crucial gid ma'am no in building a
Oh,
business.
daghan.
Dili lang gid ang kanang physical space itself, ang imuhag yung relationship sa customer magmatter.
Yes.
So now that you have been running for CNail CDO for a while, what has been the most rewarding part of being in this journey?
Rewarding kay na-known na pod siya.
Yes.
Daghan na pod may mga followers, then daghan po yung gabalik-balik. Like, daghan may mga loyalty customers. Yes. And then, daghan pod mga positive feedback nga lig-on daw mo ang tension, ang
Wow.
retention niya, like, mulong la siya for a month. Then, ganahan pod ko sa mga feedback, labi na positive tanan.
Yes.
Then, amo pong studio, ganahan sila sa design, sa kuan kanang aesthetic, di ba mo ba ng mga Gen Z karon nga dapat yun kay atuan ang mga studio dapat
Lagi.
aesthetic ang design.
Yeah,
Oo.
right. Correct,
Oo.
gid na.
Correct, Jen.
So with that being said, ma'am, what's next for Senior CDO? Any plans for the future?
For the future, gusto ko magtukod og isa ka branch sa downtown area. Para pod dali ra pod sa mga customer nga moadto kay kuan man layo biya kay sa ingdahag.
Lagi.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero ga-offer mo gyapon mi og kuan, ga-offer mi og
Service.
home service.
Mm.
Oo.
Okay, so daghan gid kayo future plans, ma'am, no?
Mm-mm.
From branching out, especially nga home service, good big step good siya in your business. So before we wrap everything up, aspiring entrepreneurs might be listening right now. What advice would you give to them?
Advice, para sa ako kay dapat ang imo pong ihatag sa client is kanang trabaho nga nindot like kanang dapat effective siya then dapat ang positive pod nga feedback sa client importante pod na siya. So dapat training pod sa mga nail tech nga dapat mo grow pa especially sa kanang sa business nga nagsugod pa siya sa small pa gyud kay among business pod. And then my goal sa among business kay i-continue pa i-grow dayon offering innovative design pa sa
Wow.
mga gusto nga kanang mga nail design nga mga complicated nga nail design.
Practisan
Then,
sa nail tech.
praktisan yun dapat ta sa nail tech kay para mo boom pa ang business.
Yes.
Exceptional customer service and of course, welcoming environment po sa studio.
Right. That's such a wonderful and valuable advice, ma'am. So thank you so much for sharing your story and insights today. It's been such a pleasure to have you on podcast. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you also sa
Okay,
podcast.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So that's a wrap for today's episode of Podcast. We hope you enjoyed hearing the inspiring story behind CNAIL CDO. Small businesses like theirs are what keeps our communities thriving, and it's always great to see local dreamers turning into reality.
That's right. So if you love today's episode, don't forget to follow us for more inspiring stories and be sure to check out CNL CDO. Until next time, once again, this is Podcast, your story, your point of view. Bye.